In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background of a video using Capcut Mobile. Whether you're aiming for a more professional appearance or trying to add a creative touch to your videos, Capcut makes this process straightforward and efficient, ensuring your content stands out. To begin, you'll want to open the Capcut app on your mobile device. Once you're in, start by creating a new project. This sets the stage for your creative journey, where you'll bring your vision to life. Now gather the necessary media by importing the video you intend to use as your primary background. Simply tap on Overlay and afterwards select Add Overlay. This function allows you to seamlessly insert either a new background image or video to serve as the canvas for your project. Next, it's time to bring in the main focus of your video, the subject. Head back to the overlay option and tap add overlay once again. Here, you'll import your main video, keeping in mind that this process works best if your subject is clear and distinguishable from the background. By maximizing this clarity, Capcut handles the next step much more efficiently. Now, with your main video selected, it's time to let some Capcut magic happen. Tap on the clip to bring up a bottom menu, scroll through until you encounter the option to remove background. Tap on it and watch as Capcut works to cleanly separate the subject from its current surroundings. While this feature excels with human subjects, keep an eye out for any small areas that might need some manual adjustments. The next step is all about customization and personal preferences. Adjust the size of your subject to fit perfectly within the new background you've chosen. This resizing step allows you to emphasize certain elements or create a harmonious balance within the frame, enhancing the overall aesthetic of your video. With everything now in place, it's essential to give your work a final review. Hit preview and take a moment to carefully check the alignment and ensure that everything flows seamlessly from one element to the next. This is your chance to ensure that the result is as polished as you envisioned. Once satisfied, it's time to bring your project to completion. Tap Export to save your video directly to your device. This process compiles all your creative efforts into a single, breathtaking video ready for sharing. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can elevate your video content using Capcut's intuitive tools and create something uniquely yours. Whether you're sharing on social media or sending it directly to your friends, enjoy showcasing your newly enhanced video with pride.